Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I have a Victorinox. Yes, beautiful machined Alox scales. Alright, this is it's an exclusive. See there. Now this is the Victorinox Farmer X. The Farmer X. I've already done a review of this model. This is my Farmer X that I've had for several years. Alright, so you can check out the that original review. It's one of my favorite configurations of a Swiss knife. Now let's review what this has. You've got your Swiss knife blade right there. Alright, you have the saw. Alright, now these would be the tools of the farmer. And what is the X? Well, the X is actually scissors. Alright, so those are the longer tools on a Farmer X. I was definitely glad to see this pop up. Alright, and the shorter tools on a Farmer X are, you know, the two openers, right, with the screwdrivers on the ends. And you've got a reamer, which can also be used as a leather punch. No tools on the scales, right? Because you've got the nice Alox instead. So the tool set on a Farmer X is just super useful. You know, the thing about Swiss knives, you've got to draw the line somewhere. I mean, unless you just have the biggest one with every single tool, right? But most people, you got to draw the line somewhere. And a lot of people will draw the line with this tool set because it's just useful for the compact size. Alright, this is also just very attractive, very collectible. It's a beauty. Now I have to say, I do have mixed feelings about the tendency to have limited editions or exclusives, basically color options that are more difficult to get, more scarce, not always available. I mean, it's great that these are available, but in modern times, a lot of knife companies will just give you color options right off the bat, right? It's not an exclusive, it's not limited, it's just like bam, they give you 5 different color options, let's say just right off the bat, right? I've reviewed these before. I'll include links to, you know, these, but this is just an example. All right, here's a knife I reviewed recently, and again, I'll put the link below if you want these, but this is another color option that I picked up because I like the first one so much. So, love this knife, but I think Victorinox should hook us up and just give us a lot of color options right from the very start, right? Like, the only advantage of limiteds or exclusives would be that collectors can buy them up and maybe the price goes up. But I don't think they should cater to collectors. Hey, collectors are well off anyway, right? I think they should cater to working people that need a compact knife with several different functions, right? So, yeah, come on, Victorinox. Kind of modernize things and just give the people what they want. But I do love Victorinox. I mean, they've stood the test of time. That is a beauty, you know. I'm both, right? I'm a user, a worker, and a collector. A collector in the sense that I accumulate things that I like, right? Not in the sense of like trying to get the most expensive and sit on it for 30 years until it's $1 bazillion. Not that kind. Now, the little tools on a Victorinox are all first rate. The steel they use, very easy to resharpen, very easy to get sharp. And, you know, it's a thin blade, which is useful for food prep, among other things. Useful for whittling. The saw is very useful if you're into woodworking and whittling. You can make stop cuts with this very easily. No doubt. You know, screwdrivers are always useful. And throughout the years, the scissors that they use have always been top-notch. Like if you compare these to scissors on MULTITOOLS, these are usually the best you can get. Well, okay, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed seeing this red Alox exclusive Farmer X from Victorinox. Subscribe if you like all kinds of gear and outdoor fun. It's been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.